if you were growing plants like this indoors, you need a tool like this. This measures the intensity of the light, which directly corresponds with how green and healthy your plants are going to be in an indoor environment. And you'll notice that this responds real time to the place where it's at. Look at those beautiful peppers, by the way, indoors. And this plant is not that old either, by the way. This tool is very straightforward and very easy to use. Hit the power button there to turn it off. Push the power button to turn it on. And you can switch between lux and the foot candles. I think that's what the FC stands for. You got min and max, hold BL, all those things. I prefer to go with the lux. I've got a pretty good handle on lux. Basically, if you're in this range right here, in the 3000s and above, you can do really well with plants. Of course, it is directional. And yeah, so this range, clearly plants are going to do well. Each plant is a little bit different for what they want, so keep that in mind. And the last thing that I want to say about this is you do not have to calibrate it each time you use it. I've used other tools where you need to calibrate it each time, and that's just a pain. And there's some phone apps that do it, but you have to add like a diffuser onto it. This has a diffuser built in, and it's a very fair price. Check the link in the description of the video. With all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and we are out.